So, what is my number one stock pick right now? It's Nike. Also, this video was made on February 5th on a Monday. They are considered a footwear company, but they also sell clothes, sports equipment, and of course, footwear. Back when I was in school, Nike was a big deal. The new Kobe's, the new KD's, the new LeBron's. I don't know about you, but when you would wear LeBron's, you would feel like LeBron. Nike is currently sitting at a market cap of $151 billion. They made a total revenue of $51 billion in 2023, while in 2022 they made a total revenue of $46 billion. If you compare their total revenue through 2019 to 2000 If you compare their total revenue through 2019 to 2023, it's increased each year, minus the exception of 2020 because of, probably the worst year to ever happen. The majority of shareholders of Nike are big institutions. That means Wall Street is heavily interested in Nike. They have a dividend yield of 1.48%. Their dividend is paid quarterly. They have their dividend going all the way from 1989. That's the year that I still didn't exist. Good times. This is a company you see almost every day, whether you're at school, at work, at the gym, at a restaurant, or at Nike's headquarters taking a selfie. Then again, I spend most of my time in my room with my 2 cats and breathe in cat fur all day. Now, I think the reason why Nike is a good buy right now is because it's so close to its 52-week low. This is a deal too hard to resist, but let's look at the graph. If you take a look at the graph, its current support these couple of days have been 99 through 100. The current resistance these couple of days has been 104. If support has been 99 through 100 these last couple of days, then that means it will eventually retest that 104 resistance level. Remember everyone, levels are your friends. Do not play the guessing game. Now, my game plan is basically to buy a call option at the 99 through 100 support zone, and if I see that we retest that 104 resistance level, I'm selling my call option because sometimes it's just best to lock in that profit and move on to the next play. Now, if I'm feeling lucky, then I could play it risky, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. On the short term, I would buy a call, but I would buy a long-term call option. Remember everyone, if you're going to get in a position, always have a game plan. Always analyze the stock, don't just jump in and hope for the best. Have a game plan, commit to that game plan. Now, the second option, I would consider buying Nike stock for the long term because over time their revenue is growing each year, their dividend has grown over time, their market cap is in the billions, they're backed by big institutions. So, if you're looking for a good paying dividend stock or for a new stock to add to your portfolio, then I personally think Nike is a good stock to add to the portfolio for the long term. Basically, what I'm trying to tell you guys is always have a game plan. When you see an opportunity, go for it. Make your money work for you. But also don't be too greedy because sometimes that greed can backfire. So when you go with your game plan, go according to that game plan. Now, let's say you don't feel confident with the trade you did. You don't have to worry about nothing because you have your game plan in motion. Now, let's say you went in a trade without a game plan, then yeah, your portfolio is gonna get messed up. Now, I'm not saying you guys are going to enter in a trade without a game plan, but keep in mind that a game plan will help you enter and exit a trade. Holy smokers, this ain't no jokers. Hey guys, so just wanted to let you guys know that today is February 7th on a Wednesday. After I had finished making this video, I realized that Nike did touch that 104 resistance. So if you traded Nike on February 5th on Monday and had bought it at the support level of 99 through 100, then you would have made an overall good trade. Now, I personally think that Nike is still a good buying opportunity. If you take a look at the weekly chart, 104 is the next support level. So if this week we can maintain above 104, then our 104 resistance level will now be our support level. You can see that if you entered in a trade that week, it would have worked out. If you had entered a trade that week, it would have worked out also. Now my next resistance level would be 113. On the weekly graph, it happened 3 times where it got rejected by 113 until the third time it actually broke through resistance and reached 122 through 123. So watch out for these levels of 104 as your support and 113 as your resistance. For now, I don't think Nike is going to disappear anytime soon. As long as everyone needs shoes for work, school, and etc., Nike will be here for a long time. Unless we all decide to adapt to not wear shoes and be like,
Here, come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks.
Ooh, that is so fire.
Now the second stock that I have in mind is Tesla. These last couple of days, Tesla has been hovering in the range of 180 through 182. Today it finished over the 9 moving average, which is a good sign for these upcoming days, possibly a rally to the upside. Plus, it's really hard to resist a company that's super close to its 52-week low. Plus, if you take into account of their annual total revenue, it's been positive through 2019 to 2023. I would say Tesla is a steal right now, since it's literally up there with Apple, Meta, and Microsoft, except Tesla is in its own lane because they're a car company and they're way ahead of their competition right now. And if you guys want to start your investing journey, sign up with my Webull link in the description below and get yourself some free stock. As always, take care, and this is not financial advice.